Hey there, fellas. Ryan with Mistock Geek here, and fellas and fellets. Um, if you probably are noticing that there's something wrong here. This is my soldering iron, and well, she's a wobbler. Just had a few too many drinks, and she's not really quite sure, quite steady on her feet. Can't cannot hold her liquor. So I was trying to fix the wobble down here, and the whole thing just pulled out of the plastic piece here. And then in trying to fix that, this plastic piece cracked in half. So I've got it wrapped in this stuff here, this pre-tinned wire. Tried to tighten that, and then tried to put the tape around it to hold it on there. And it's just really kind of a whole big fail. It does melt solder still, but it's extremely wobbly. Let's see if it'll even survive being tinned here. Oh, it did. It's more wobbly. But this is what I have to build the QDX with, because it's not here yet, but I'm expecting it to be here any moment, any day, on pins and needles, on the edge of my seat, waiting for the QDX, and this thing is dead. And then while I was trying to fix it, I also broke this. So I have an order to make. So I'm going to head over to Amazon and make those orders. I might just order a solder station. Although I gotta admit, I do have this as my solder station right now, and I quite like it. So the problem is these $10 Chinese soldering irons, they're okay. I've been doing this for years. I've had two of these over 4 years, I think. Because I think I started soldering. Well, I had a Weller that I replaced. I think it was in 2017. So it's been about 4.5 years. I've had two of these over 4.5 years, and they're workable until they aren't. And just look at that. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this one's done. Hopefully I can use it if the QDX shows up tomorrow. I'm not expecting the QDX to show up tomorrow, but anyway, fellas, let me know what you think. And if you have any specific recommendations, I might just order another $10 one for now and then look for a better one later. Anyway, thanks for watching, and well, wish me and my bent soldering iron luck. my wobbly iron. That's just not good. It's not even firmly attached. Anyway, wish us luck. It's 73.